Okay. Spelling correct? Validated. Here, electric vehicle space.
Muthukumaran sir. Muthukumaran sir is available.
Yes, available, sir.
Sir, kindly send me the feedback link for session 2, sir. I couldn't get it.
Okay, I'll be sending, sir.
Please, sir, and the chat box. The remaining thing, everything I have.
Actually, we are in about to start validatory.
Yeah. What? Just a minute.
Few 2 minutes of time we'll be posting, sir. Till our GMs are also joined. Few 2 minutes of time. And I think you're able to see the feedback link has been posted, sir. Session 2 afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, participants. I hope my voice is audible. Audience?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, actually, very thank you for joining us, and we have been coming to the end of this FTP program. So I'll be requesting all the participants to ensure that you have been given all your feedback, and I think we have been posted that feedback link in the respective session also. We have been consolidated the feedback, all the attendance and the meeting IDs has been taken from the Microsoft team, and we have been given the consolidated link also. So before going for next thing, we are arranging the program such a way that right now our GM sir want to address the participants, and he is to take some oral feedback regarding this FTP program. So I'll be requesting all the participants, few of the participants requested to give some oral feedback to our GM sir, and GM sir want to interact with you. So GM sir, Prabhu sir.
Yeah.
You can address the participants, sir. So you can go ahead, sir.
Yeah. Good afternoon to all the participants. Hope you can hear my voice, right?
Yes, sir. We can.
Yeah. And first of all, let me extend my warm thanks and support been provided by AICTI to NSIC and keeping trust on NSIC to execute such a wonderful FDP programs for the benefit of all the participants and the industry consultants, faculties of the institutions, organizations, etc. And hope all the participants, around 200 participants, been enrolled in this program. For the last 1 week, I hope they are participating actively based on the feedback, based on the inputs. Whatever I'm receiving from my HOD, my faculties and guest faculties, and also industry experts, and also international industry experts. So they are providing good feedback, and hope all the participants might have been utilized this great opportunity which has been provided by AICTI for the benefit of the participants to enrich their knowledge and skills and technology. So, uh, emerging technology, I could say. That's the main uh, agenda and objective of this program. And first of all, once again, I would like to extend my warm greetings to all the participants and sponsored by AICTI, keeping trust on us, and hope all the participants, I'm sure that you might have got the benefit out of it. And I would like to know your feedback and your inputs for betterment of this program. Of course, it's not that because you are all technically experts guys been participated in the this FDP program for the benefit of all the industry experts, faculties, and other participants, etc. So always there is a learning curve, so that we can improve the program. If any flaws, if you notice, you might have been noticed. If anything is there, please share. Feel free to modify and to deliver the goods to the extent of what you are expecting accordingly. So these EV technology programs for the last 2 years, we have been executing successfully, and we have received good testimonies from the all the participants throughout the India, and also even international participants as well. So far we have not received any negative feedback, and some suggestions also been received, and accordingly we have been updated our inputs, which are really useful to the participants. And our faculties also, for the last couple of days, last 1 week, they are, I hope, and based on the inputs, whatever received from your end, this program, and they have delivered their inputs, delivered their technology exposure experience, hands-on experience, whatever they have, and shared with you guys, so that you might have been received good inputs, which might not have been noticed or might not have been aware of it. So such kind of inputs they have provided, it seems. So just thankful to all the faculty members, in the industry experts, institution heads, whoever participated, whoever provided inputs on each and every topic. By namely, I would like to thanks to them, like Mr. Dinesh Balasubramaniam. He is AP Metro from Tamil Nadu. He has covered the topic of role of vehicle dynamics in electric vehicle technology. And Mr. Karthik Jyoti Lakshmi, Mrs. And she is from Mercedes-Benz R&D division, Bangalore. And she has taken up the topic like digital automotives business opportunities in EV technology. And Mr. Panindra Arvapalli, CTO and MD, Green Cell. So he has covered retrofitting the existing vehicles in EV technology topics. And Dr. D. Ravindra, CTO, Junki Energies. He has covered hybrid energy storage for electric vehicle applications. And Mr. Anand Basuli, he is from Electra Energy Systems from Telangana. He has taken up the topic like electric vehicle design. And Mr. Dr. Professor Sukrit Sukachi, she is from Naresun University, Thailand, and she has covered role of e-mobility in smart cities. So she's having a very vast knowledge in the EV technology, and she has. I hope she has provided a lot of inputs for the benefit of the participants. And also Mr. K.M. Prasanna Kumaran, PIR, IIT Kanpur. He has covered biomass energy, and Mr. D. Kumar Raj, he's covered electric vehicles, hybrid EV technology area, and Vishaka Shashikumar, CTO PI Beam Electric. He has covered EV vehicle design and challenges, and EV charger selection and installation part been covered by Hari Krishna Palusam, Go Green Technology from, and impact of EV on grid. covered by Mr. Professor Dr. Dilip Kumar. He is from St. Peter's Engineering College, Hyderabad. And recent advancement in EV technology covered by Dr. Ajay P. Vimal Raj. He is from Pondicherry Technology University. And financial and business opportunities in EV technology covered by Hari Krishna Palusam Gogrin from Telangana. And challenges in EV technologies covered by RS Vinaya Gum, RS Windtech from Tamil Nadu. And time management capacity building covered by Jayant Goparaju, APC Telangana. And so all these dignitaries and AICTI participants, in institutions, organization participants, I would like to extend warm congratulations having got these such a exposure, experienced faculties who have delivered their inputs to you for the benefit of all the participants. And once again, thanks to all the faculties and industry experts for extending your support for the benefit of the industry, benefit of the participants, and benefit of the people, those who are really would like to penetrate into EV technologies areas and make use of the business opportunities and challenges in EV technologies. So just I would like to thank to my NSIC team, Muthukumaran and his team. So they also done an excellent job to organize such a wonderful program for the benefit of the industry as well as getting support from AICTI. So thanks to all once again, and my all best wishes to once again all the participants. And before concluding, just I would like to have your feedback, if anything, I would most welcome to receive. Or else any inputs required from my end also about how we are supporting to the industry, how you would like to, what kind of support you are expecting from NSIC as part of this program, which is most welcome, and we are ready to, I am ready to accept your inputs and question answer sessions if any.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Yes. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Respected Sri A.V. Prabhurai sir and all the organizing team. First of all, thank you very much for selecting me as a participant in this FDP, sir. Actually, I also attended various FDP under Atal, but it was really, we are saying like it was very good opportunity to, especially like NSIT, because they provide very good resource persons, especially most of the from industry background and few members from academy. So I think that is one thing we got many benefit. Because I am basically from academic. I am working as an assistant professor in a DKT Society Textile and Engineering Institute, currently located in Maharashtra. When I attended all these 5 days, most of from starting from first session to 15th session, really each session you get benefited. Maybe we can say in the point of view contact of the resource person, maybe in the data, how they are represented, and each and everything to current trends, how we can adapt to the even academy. So yesterday I talked with some of 1 or 2 resource person after I attending. They are really appreciated and they are really given support, positive support towards academic collaboration. So this is the one thing I want to say, sir. Especially coordinator, I think sir name Muttura, I think. He is very kind person and concerned person. Each and every participant he considered and he given always. I think even they, even sir, your team worked about I think night even 11:30 they posted messages. I think because we are also organizer of some of the event, so we know what is the pain. But really, thank you very much, sir, for having a good team. And I want to have, sir, one more request, sir. In coming days, sir, if possible, maybe plan for EV, because sir, in India towards more than manufacture rather than manufacture, they are going to assemble. So if you are having assembling like such type of webinar, and also we can focus on in that testing and standards, especially for EV. So I think that is not whenever we attended other webinars, still we are not get clarity about testing and standard, because when we are going to taking testing and standards, we are referring some of the institute like ARI, but ARI is because it is the oldest institute, it is having conventional method. So if we particularly for EV, how the testing and standard is going to follow as respectively Indian countries and other countries also. Maybe that will be one benefit, sir. And I think this is a one from my end, sir. And another one, sir. Actually, we are academic. I think NSIC is a government body. So in that, sir, in coming days, maybe if you are having that opportunity to collaborate academic, maybe excel the regarding whatever the current trends, maybe automation, PLC or electrical vehicle. So if you are having chance, sir, please give me the chance. Maybe we can approach informally. That will be more helpful for student and today's young generation, sir. I think this is my sincere thanks to NSIC. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Mr. Devendra Gowda. And really, I'm happy to hear such a wonderful testimony is being provided by you. And as part of this assembling parts and testing standards in EV area, definitely we will look into it. And whether you are aware of it or not, in the introductory session I've covered, we are having a tie-up with Bolivia, UK government, and Germany government. So we are working with them to how to implement conventional mechanism to EV technology areas. This is a kind of revolution in EV area. So we had a discussion and a conference, international conference in Hyderabad. It has been organized by NSIC and other chambers, industry chambers. And so Bolivia and UK, Germany government delegates, they have come over here and we had a dialogue with them and they are ready to have a MOU with us. And terms and conditions yet to be finalized because of the COVID for the last 1.5 to 2 years. We are across the global and across the country, we are facing a pandemic situation due to COVID-19. And that is the reason it is getting delayed. But yes, what you said is right, because we are having a lack of manufacturing infrastructure here. But surely, as you said, so we are working exclusively because MSMEs can't penetrate into manufacturing areas straight away. So our main motto is that to first to make them to understand the EV technology revolution and how they can support. Because our main concern is that uplift the small scale industries, MSMEs. That is the main motto. So that if you ask them to start manufacturing, crores of rupees investment is required. And suppose if you are providing a work orders to them for assembling and testing standards and meet the immediate demand of the local areas. That is the main motto. So we are working in those areas and definitely we will look into it and we'll definitely implement that point which you have raised, and that time definitely will communicate to you. I'll inform my HOD to make a note of it. And one more thing, that collaboration with academics. See, part of the Telangana, Andhra, we have a collaboration with all reputed universities like JNTU, Usmania University, and Geetham University, and other reputed colleges, and even deemed colleges also. We have a collaboration, and part of that they are sending their students for academic purpose like projects, internships, and to provide handholding sessions to them. And we have part of that collaboration. We have in our campus, we have established 2 charging stations to provide handholding sessions to them, because across the state or anywhere in India, if I am right, no institution is having these charging stations for providing demonstrate to them, and what kind of support system been provided by NSIC. So definitely we look into it, and definitely we would like to have collaboration with your college also, and let us know how to go ahead. We are most welcome for that also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, this is Professor Santosh Kumar from Bajaj Institute of Technology in Nagpur. First of all, I would like to thank your team a lot for this wonderful session. I have been attending different FDPs from different organizations, from NITs, and this was such a great thing to learn from your organization. I could feel the depth of the content that was delivered. I also expressed this to Muthu Kumar sir yesterday in WhatsApp chat. I felt very happy to be associated with this FDP. I'm really happy to have such a depth knowledge in EVs, such a trending topic. And one more thing I would like to explain, mention here that many people have the mindset that government agencies cannot conduct good quality of events. But the event was conducted so nicely. It is highly appreciable that people should now know that government agencies are conducting such a nice thing that opens the door for other institutions also. One more thing I would like to add here is my request is that if I can get some contact that to whom I should contact so that we can collaborate with you all for the development of our students in this new field. So that will be a great help for our students' benefit. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for all the support. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Santosh Kumar, and really, I'm happy to hear such a wonderful comments for providing for my team, and they are really done a good job. So, in fact, it's not that you people are not having knowledge in EV technology areas. Of course, you have excellent knowledge. That's why students are coming to your institutions, organizations to study. But there is a learning curve always. So wherever gaps are there, wherever emerging technologies knowledge is required, that is main motto of our NSIC to execute this program successfully is that we want to upskill the existing knowledge, whoever having, and enrich the knowledge in the EV technology area. That is the main motto objective of this program, in fact. So you guys also have excellent knowledge, and just we are bridging the gap between where we can provide the input so that will be really helpful for the students and buddy entrepreneurs and emerging in the emerging areas. So that is the main thing, and definitely, as you said, you can keep in touch with Mr. Muthukumaran, is HOD, and he will take down your requirement if anything is there, and he will pass on to us. Then we can accordingly we can go ahead. That's not an issue. Any kind of support is required for academic purpose and entrepreneurship purpose to set up or do some business opportunities for you people. Let us know. We are with you to support whatever possible from our end.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Your words mean a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
This is Dr. Mohan from JSS Science and Technology University, Mysore, sir, Karnataka.
Okay.
Sir, it is a very refreshing FDP for us, sir. So we have been attending many FDPs of late, but this FDP has made a mark in our the education part of the electric vehicles. And because you have gathered many industry persons to speak on the relevant things, so which is very useful for us, because as a researcher, so we'll not be able to meet many people at one time. And you also provided an opportunity with respect to the being an entrepreneurship. So that is a very wonderful idea for all the researchers how to progress in this area. So thank you very much, sir, for giving an opportunity. And the main coordinator, Muthukumaran, was very kind enough to address all issues of the participants. He has been a very nice person since the day one of the program. Thank you very much, sir.
Thanks, Mr. Mohan, for sharing your valuable inputs and praises to our team. I'm really happy. So, nimge Kannada barutta?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Barutta, sir.
Barutta?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
So, Namoro really see, because last time also now illi EV technology area dalli now program conduct madidvi. So we have from Bangalore itself almost 10 to 15 people participated in first batch. Amele second batch nalli around 25 people. More or less I can say year 1920 nalli ನಾವು almost 100 members ko training ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಹೌದು ಸರ್, ಹೌದು.
So ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ message got spread across the people, and really people those are really need to participate in this program.
Yes, sir.
It has given a value addition to them. So that is main motto. So that's what we want to conduct such programs. So it's not. This is first time we got the sponsorship from AICTE for the benefit of the industry experts like you people. So really we are happy to get such kind of inputs and feedback from you. So we'll definitely conduct such programs many more with the help of AICTE and other industry experts for the benefit of the entrepreneurs. Those who are really would like to enter into industry area to provide some opportunities to others. And we have set up a venture capital funding in our institutions. So most probably this financial year we are planning to start the activities in those areas. So and whatever support required for you people, and we are here to help you out.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead. Anybody?
Actually, there was a hand raised by Rashmi, madam. You want to speak?
Good afternoon. I'm Rashmi Kale from. Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yeah, audible, madam. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon. Very great work I could see. The coordination and the efforts taken by each and everyone was so great. And the very important factor which I have seen for this FDP especially, there were industry collaboration more, and the expertise, the way it was organized from day one, and the help given was excellent. For teachers like us, where we are having this subject in our curriculum, EV and HEV, so it will be a great help. One thing I just want to know, can we have the further coordination so that the students from the college will be benefited? Can you have such programs for the students also?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely. And thanks, madam. First of all, let me thanks to you for sharing your valuable feedbacks. So I'm happy to hear from you. And definitely, we would like to have a collaboration from which college are you from?
Sir, I am Father C. Rodrigues College, Navi Mumbai, Vashi.
Okay, okay. So
So
definitely we will going to have such kind of programs based on your request, and let us know how many students would like to take up the program, and exclusively will organize programs. So short duration or long duration programs will conduct, and based on your requirement we'll customize the learning skills, and also based on the demand and based on your existing knowledge your students and your faculties those are having. So we can customize it, and we'll invite industry experts, like how the industry experts been participated into for the last 1 week program, which was sponsored by ACTA. Same kind of programs we are really happy to conduct for your students, for your faculties, based on the requirement.
sir, once again, thank you. It's an excellent teamwork
Thank you.
and very nicely organized.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And first of all, let me thanks to you for having participated and gained knowledge and enriched your knowledge, hopefully.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Good afternoon, sir. Thank you very much. Myself, Dhanya Prakash from ACS College, Bangalore. And I'm very much thankful for this particular event. It's happening, and you people have done a tremendous amount of effort you people have put in. And throughout all the sessions were very good, and also technical in-depth was covered. And unfortunately, we are working, some of the events we missed out actually, some of the sessions. So hopefully the event organizers will share the PPTs of all the things, all the sessions or videos of the sessions, sir.
Yeah, sure. Definitely, Mr. Dhanya Prakash, thanks for your for sharing your valuable feedback. And definitely, because of sometimes what happened, there would be some kind of constraints for not participating in the program, some programs and some
Yes, sir, exactly.
sections. So definitely, we have a recording sessions that I will ask my team to frame it such a way that so that it will be useful for you people wherever you are missed out, and any material is there. Also, I will ask them to share it with you for your reference and future recording purpose.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Participant, anyone want to share the thing? You are most welcome to give the feedback, please. Okay, sir. Actually, there was people have been waiting for the exams, so because we
So
are
then in that case, then if you
we'll
no
wind up.
Am I
question,
audible?
Yes, sir.
please. Go. May I know who
Just
is
1 minute, sir. Yes, just 1 minute, sir. Give me 1 minute. Yes, sir. Myself, Mahindra Ramesh Umbarga. I am working as a senior lecturer at Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. So I attended a few training courses organized by NSIC. So it's a really what are the feedbacks we are getting? Those are really the real one. Simply I can talk like that. In the electronics space, sir, you are working on the golden solder. Soldering that in the industry and academics. So you are fusing both the area. So it is very worthy for us as well as for the industry. So and you are working on that golden joint, sir. So we are thankful as academic. We are thankful for you that you are working in that way, particular way. So which are the training I have done, this one also. So the academic and the industry knowledge are being blended properly, sir. And definitely you and your team are working hard for that. So thanks for your efforts and the valuable time spared for us. Thanks, Sri Rajan sir, the General Manager NSIC, and thanks the HOD Muthukumaran sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Mahendra, for sharing your feedback and inputs to us. And definitely, we would like to have a collaboration with you for your benefit of your students as well as your faculty, as well as your organizations, institutions. So definitely, we'll support, and whatever support required, please let us know. So then we'll work together for betterment of the society and the students in these emerging technologies.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Mr. General Manager, Center Head, and as well as the coordinator, Mr. Muthu, T. Muthuswamy, Muthukaran. Hello.
Yes, sir. Audible, so you can go ahead, sir. No issues, sir.
Yeah. Just I would like to inform your head and the general manager that I am a retired professor who have attended all the classes right from Monday to this Friday. And it is only because of the academic interest. In fact, I am a professor in electrical engineering also. I retired and my power system engineering. So what I would suggest, I would say that the whole course throughout 5 days was very rigorous, and it was technically rich. The content was very much technically rich also. So that way this particular course is very much beneficial to all the participants. I would like to really thank all the team of the NSIC for organizing such a very nice faculty development program. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Pawan Kumar. I'm really happy to hear your valuable feedback and appreciation to our team and as well as the organization. So all the credit goes to AICTI because they have sponsored such a program for the benefit of the participants. And also, though you are from the engineering college and you are from electrical department and you are from electrical power system expertise, and hope you might have got the inputs right way. And our experts, industry experts, also shared their knowledge to the extent whatever they have with them for the benefit of all the participants. And thank you once again for your valuable feedback. And really, I'm happy to get such kind of feedbacks for the organization as well as for my team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful support, sir, which has been given to us. So without support from the top management, it will not be difficult to conduct the program. So our GMs are given full freedom to us to select the speaker and to give the enough resource for us. Without support from the top management, no program will get succeed. So when I'm seeing the feedback where we have been done the thing, it gives lot of encouragement, lot of courage to do this kind of program coming days also. So thank you, sir, once again for trusting our department in giving chance for us to conduct the program, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you once again. Thanks to all the participants and my thanks to exclusively for ACTI and also my team, Muthukumaran and all that his team members and also industry experts across the global, across the India. They have participated and by sharing their expertise and knowledge in the area of EV technology. And once again, thanks to all for a wonderful session been executed by NSS. Thank you so much. Have a good day and take care. Please stay safe and healthy.
Thank you, sir. So, participants, we have been almost coming to the end. So there is two things we have to do it right now. We'll be posting the overall feedback link for this FTP program. So we'll be posting the feedback link in the chat box. So you have been requested to give your valuable feedback in this link. And once the feedback is completed, another 5 minutes we'll be posting the assessment link also. So all the participants are requested to give their assessment so that it will be helpful for us in giving that assessment also. So Balaji, can you post this thing? So before the thing, I want to take this opportunity to convey my sincere thanks to all the participants, as well as my faculty members, as well as who have been working on the back end of my team. So I want to name the few of the faculties who have been working at the back end. Especially, I want to convey my sincere thanks to my faculty, Mr. S. Balaji, who has been supported throughout the day. From the morning onwards, from morning 8 o'clock, he used to come up to 8 o'clock, we used to say. And one more faculty, Mr. Sambat Kumar Gaud, he has been helped in recording and regularizing the attendance of the daily basis. And Mr. Duraiswamy Kamaraj, he is one of the senior faculty and subject expert who has been working with me and has been given constant support to me and has given valuable technical guidance in preparing the schedule for this FTP program and made his efforts in identifying the speaker for this FTP program. So with the support of my team only, we are able to deliver this thing. So thank you. And last but not least, the audience like you have been given wonderful support because every program will get success by getting the two-way interaction. Whenever you have been end of the session, you have been given wonderful support and cooperation. Even there was some technical issue yesterday evening and today morning. You have been stayed very patiently and given moral support for us. So without your support, this program will not be getting into the success and reaching your all people. I hope that we have been delivered a good program and we have been made ensure that we have been shared the whatever knowledge we can able to do it. So I think we have been justified this FTP program for all the sector of the people, starting from the academic side as well as industrial side, as well as in entrepreneurship also we have been covered the thing. So thank you, sir. Yes, sir.
Muthu, sir.
Yes, sir.
I would like to request one thing is that please share the contact details of the participants and the resource persons.
Okay, sir.
They will be in touch. All of us will remain in touch later on.
Okay, sir. Definitely, we'll actually once the materials have been we have been collecting. So give me today or tomorrow. We'll be sending the consolidated with the whatever details you have been asked. We'll be sending through the mail, sir. No issues, sir. So I think we have been posted the feedback link. So just a minute, I'll be trying to post the feedback link. Give 2 minutes of time. So even mail IDs of the speaker, everything I'll try to give it. No issue. Just actually we have been give 2 minutes of time. I'll be posting the feedback link for the thing. So give 2 minutes of time. Just I'm correct checking the feedback link. Just a minute. Overall feedback we are supposed to take. Or you, just a minute, I'll be posting the feedback. No, that's not feedback. That is not feedback. So that what are the feedback has been posted by my faculty is not correcting. I have been posting the correct feedback. Don't fill the feedback, please. Don't fill the feedback, please. I think we have been posted the overall feedback. So kindly ensure that you have been giving the feedback, please.
No, sir, it does not contain any fields, sir.
No, nothing, I think.
There is nothing to fill, sir.
Nothing to fill.
Yeah. Only the information is there.
Give permission, sir. Give permission for that.
There will be a next button. It is not there.
I think we are. So just give me 2 minutes.
No, sir, take your time. Take your time. No issues. Take
No,
your time.
actually, it is not accepting response because some people have been giving feedback. So we have been kept close. We'll be giving response right now. We'll be accepting. I think we are kept locked. That response we are kept locked.
Sir, it is not opening, sir.
Yes, madam. Actually, we kept locked because people have been sitting without this thing. That's why we kept locked. Now it will be opening. Give 2 minutes of time.
Okay, sir.
Hello. Hello, sir. Till now that is not open, sir.
So it's opening, but it is not taking any response.
Oh, yes, not taking response. That's why I'm asking.
Sir, it is opening, but no response, sir.
Yes, they are asked to wait 5 minutes. So please, we will wait for 5 minutes. So they are working on that.
Hello. No, not responding, sir. Not responding.
Yes, now it is showing, sir.
Sir, now it is showing, sir.
Sir, I'm not getting the feedback link on chat.
Sir, I'm not getting the feedback link.
So shall we start filling it up?
Hello, sir.
So again, it is not accepting responses.
I think it is accepting response. I just filled.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
It is
at
accept-
last, yes, at last it gave a response that the form is not accepting response. After I too.
No, sir, no problem, sir. Sir, no confusion, sir. Right now we have been posting the new link. Nothing. Sorry for the
New
inconvenience.
link. Okay, okay.
New link we have
Hello,
posted.
sir. It is not opening.
No, no, just ignore the previous link. Now we have been opening, madam. We have been posted there. NSSC FDP D5 S3. That is D5 S3.
Yes, meeting chat box, sir.
You can check the. Now it is opening, sir. Can you check it, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is getting open.
Not there in.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
now it is open.
Yes, sir,
Sorry
it
for
is
the
open.
inconvenience. Sorry, extremely sorry, please.
Sir, first link also accepted the response.
Now whatever we posted right now, 320.
Sir, already
Sir.
we have done the first link. Again, we need to do,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Those who have done on the first link is okay, sir.
Okay, sir. Those are given first viewing. If you are able to receive it. Okay, no issues.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
So again, we'll be posting feedback. Balaji, can you post the feedback? Now I think link is opening, sir. Can you confirm it, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It is perfectly right.
Sir, the link is open.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Sorry for the inconvenience. Sorry, it has been
No issues, sir. No issues.
Actually, a lot of feedback link is announced. We have been got
Yeah,
confused.
yes.
Sorry, sir. Extremely sorry.
We understand, sir. No issues.
Balaji, you are getting
Sir,
response.
PM sir, I filled the first one. Is it okay, sir?
Okay, sir.
The
Okay,
previous
sir.
one.
Previous only. Correct one, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
முத்துக்குமார் சார்
Yes, sir.
சார் எங்க சார் லிங்க் இல்லீங்களே சாட் பாக்ஸ்ல
Just நான் திரும்பி நான் இது பேஸ் பண்றேன் மேடம்.
இல்ல சார் அதுல இல்லீங்க எல்லாம் எப்படி சொல்றாங்க I don't know.
No, again you can check the link, madam. We'll be posting the link, madam. Now check it. Now I posted one more link also. You can check that thing also. Now we are getting, madam. Anita, madam.
சார் நான் வேணா இன்னொரு வாட்டி ரீலோட் பண்ணிட்டு உள்ள வரேன் சார்.
Okay.
என்னோட மெசேஜ் பாக்ஸ் வந்து 135 லயே நிக்குது சார்.
Okay, நீங்க
not coming up to this.
லாக் அவுட் பண்ணி திரும்பி லாகின் பண்ணுங்க மேடம்.
இல்ல இதெல்லாம் வருதுங்களே. இப்போ நீங்க பேசுறதெல்லாம் எனக்கு என்ன அப்டேட்டட் வந்தானே.
ஆமா.
Okay sir, I will try it sir.
No problem.
One second sir, I will try it sir.
No issue. Thank you everyone for submitting their feedback. Now, shall we proceed for that? Shall we post that assessment exam link, madam? Participants, shall we post it? Shall we
Yes,
start
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, please give instructions once, and then
okay.
you can post it, sir. Please, thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, those who have been parallelly filling the feedback, kindly look into the mind session. So actually, we have been created the question of a number of questions which are going to conduct in this assessment. Will have 33 questions, and some questions will have 1 mark, some questions will have 2 mark. And we want to make ensure that most of people should clear the exam to get maximum mark. So we kept it at 33 questions. We have been prepared. In that, best 30 questions will be taken by us, so that the possibilities rate of getting the more than 60% will be getting easily cleared. So that is the one option. Don't think that 33 means we'll get more mark. That's why that maximum ceiling mark is 50 mark. If you are given all the 33 questions correct, means you will get only 50 mark. Some people get only 27, means then remaining the additional questions which have been attended by the participant will be taken into consideration. So that is the way we have been prepared it. And exam, whatever the session 1 to till today morning, whatever technical session has been happened, we have been taken the question from each and every session. We given the questions which have been taken from the only session. Mostly we want to ensure that the questions will be very simple and very easy, and it's easy to clear it, I'm thinking. And second thing is, no need to surf it in the Google also. That much of questions are not difficult in my point of view. And we want to ensure that all our participants, those who have been attended this FTP, want to get the certificate. That is our main intention. To keep in mind only, we prepare the question, and we are given in the test link also. So your time starts now. Once I have been posted, you take your time and ensure that maximum of up to now time is 3:30 means by up to 5 o'clock the link we are going to accept the link. So up to 5 o'clock we are going to take the link. So I'll be posting the So right now I posted the
Sir, it is not there. Hello,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. It is visible now.
It is visible now. Yes, sir. I think there is no negative marking, I guess. No, sir?
Sir, my chat box is disabled, sir. I'm not getting the.
So kindly send the test link again, sir. Hello. Visible for many, and some of the candidates are not getting link. I got it.
My chat box is disabled, sir. That's why I'm not getting the link.
Hello. Hello. I'm not getting test link, sir. So kindly post again the test link, sir.
We'll post the multiple times also. We'll post, no issue. Balaji, can you post the feedback link, the assessment test link? So you got it, sir? Those who have been asked to request for feedback link, you get it, sir? You got it, sir?
Oh, no, sir. No, I'm not getting.
No, sir. Just to check it, sir, right now.
No, sir. In chat box, there is no link, sir. So if possible, I can re-log in once again, sir.
So what's the
Hello?
what is the problem?
I'm not seeing any link, sir. If possible, I am re-login.
Re-login, sir.
Same meeting, sir.
Re-login and go.
Sir, even I am not getting any link in my chat box, sir.
What your name, madam?
Abhirami, sir.
So can you re-log in and again come join, madam? Whether you given feedback link, madam? Feedback also given?
Yes, sir. Morning session 1 feedback I have given, but session 2 I have not received the feedback, sir. In the chat box, it is not visible to me.
Okay, good. Madam. You again once again leave the meeting again rejoin, madam. Let us check it.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
So now can you send the link, sir? Now chat box is enabled to me.
Okay. Okay, sir. We'll be posting, sir. Krishna, sir, will be
Sir, sir, actually, same problem. I got it, but I am getting the feedback, sir. Now, I don't know why it is happening like this. Really, like, yeah, why it is happening, na?
I
We
don't
also
know.
don't know, sir.
Microsoft Teams, same thing. Oh, you are getting, madam?
எனக்கு வந்துருச்சு, sir.
Okay, thank you, madam.
I got the link 3:30 itself, sir. Now the time is 3:30 to 2 minutes earlier வந்துருச்சு, sir.
No, madam. Right now, you have to fill the feedback as well as assessment exam you have to give, madam. Both the things you have to give.
Sir?
Yes, madam.
Sir, this is Abhirami.
Yes, madam.
I have rejoined the meeting again, but still my chat box is not enabled, sir. I'm not getting the link, test link, and also that feedback link.
You re-log in also, madam, because just now Vanitha madam also spoken. She was not getting again re-login. She was able to get it.
No, sir. I left the meeting and I again rejoined in the meeting, sir.
Okay, you pin me in the WhatsApp, madam. I'll share it to you. WhatsApp.
Sir?
Pin me in the WhatsApp, madam. I'll be sharing the link to you. To WhatsApp.
Sir, in that group itself, shall I send my name?
Because group means again it will be getting messed up, madam. Because those who have been attending, we have to give it.
Sir, I have to send you the to your personal number, sir.
Yes, sir. To the personal number you pin me.
It is there in that mail, sir.
Everything is there, madam. Please check it, madam.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you.
I think exam. I think all the persons started giving their assessment now, sir. Any difficulty you are facing, sir? So participant, sir?
No, sir. Everything is okay. Fine.
Oh, what about the assessments? How it is, sir? It's okay, no, sir?
Sir, I'm talking about assessment itself.
Yes, how it is,
Everything is fine, sir.
Sir, sir, sir. Sir,
Yes, sir.
I'm unable to see that link. Exam no link, sir.
So I am requesting. I want to give instruction for everyone. Those who have been not able to see the thing are requested to leave the meeting. Again, rejoin it. So we'll check it, sir, please.
Sir?
Tell me, madam.
This is Abhirami, sir, again.
Tell me, madam, please. You got it, madam? Madam?
Could you please share once again that links are unable to find in chat box?
Okay, I will be posting, sir. Will be posting, sir. Got.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Okay, got it, sir. Now feedback link we give. See the
Yes,
assessment
thank
given link we give.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. So those who are given the feedback and those who have completed assessment, they can leave the meeting. No issue. So the exam link will be most probably will be active up to 4:30 or 4:45. That's it. So after the time limit, it will be blocking the response so that you cannot able to submit the thing. So one more announcement I have to give, I have to make ensure that those who are being given feedback should go to the ALCT login, and you have to give your feedback in the ALCT login also, because once you are going for your personal login of ALCT login under this NSIC FTP, you have to give overall feedback about this FTP in the ALCT login also. So kindly ensure that today you are completing your feedback. So participants, you are getting my point, dear participants.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you have to give the feedback in that ALCT portal also. Then only your certificate will be generated.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Please.
Sir, one more explainer, sir.
I think all the participants start giving their assessment, correct, sir? Any difficulty in opening that assessment form, sir? It is opening now, sir?
No, sir. No problem. No problem.
I think so far almost 4 to 5 people already completed the thing. We got the response. Okay. Thank you, sir. Sorry.
Sir, can you please share the link again?
Sir, Sudarshan sir, anything you are asking, sir?
Link, sir, assessment link.
Okay, we'll be posting. Posted, sir. Check it, sir.
Okay, sir. 1 second. Yes, sir. I have got.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. We will be posting feedback link. The participants, those who have been completed, given the feedback and given the exam, can leave the meeting. No. I am not getting test means. What, sir? Any issue?
Sir, after submission, what we should do?
Madam?
After submission, what we should do, sir?
Yes, madam. Once sometimes your process is getting completed, you have to go to your login in LCT portal.
Okay, sir.
There you have to give the feedback, oral feedback.
Sir, voice breaking.
Exam link is closed, sir.
What, sir?
Exam link is closed, sir.
Closed.
Yes, sir.
9:30 to 12:30, I think, sir. Or 10 to 1.
No opening, sir. It is.
No, sir.
Just a minute. Again, I'll be checking.
Please, sir. Please. Thank you.
Sir,
Exam.
sir, myself, Devi, sir.
Tell me, madam.
I submitted, sir. But next process, what I should do, sir?
That's it, madam. You are completing. Then you have to go to the LCT portal where you have to give your final oral feedback, madam.
Okay, sir.
You have to give the final final feedback in that portal. That's it.
Okay, sir. Means we should log in now, sir.
You can log it. You have to go to your LCT login and you have to give the under the feedback under this FTP program. You have to give your feedback.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So someone was asking that assessment is not opening. It's okay, sir. Now it is getting, sir. So previously, one of the participants has been asked about that the test link is not opening.
45.
Yes, sir. It is not opening.
2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, and 6 to 7 is okay, sir. Done, sir.
Hello.
So one second, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Now opening, sir.
No, sir.
Your name, sir. It is opening for us. It is opening for others, sir.
So my name is Teja, sir. Yes, sir.
No, opening means the chat bar is not opening or the feedback link is not opening.
Feedback, sir. Feedback is not opening.
You tell very clearly, sir. You are saying about not opening. You are telling very plainly.
Yeah, not opening feedback, sir. Feedback form is not.
Feedback is not opening. Just a minute, sir. We are checking it.
Okay, sir.
Tejasvi, sir.
No, faculty means faculty must be available online, sir. At the
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. The counselor will inform those who have not yet registered to the faculty, sir. So they will check.
So, participants, those who have been completed the exam, you can leave this meeting and you have been requested to give your feedback
Yes, sir.
about this FTP program in the Tejasvi, sir, I am getting
Yes, sir. I will inform them orally, sir. In terms of the
Tejasvi, sir, now we check it, sir. Feedback link.
Yes, sir. Hello. Yes, sir.
Sir, Muthu sir.
Sir, someone is asking, sir. Tell me, sir.
Yes, sir. There was one issue, sir, with respect to the feedback on Atal portal.
Okay, sir.
Second best resource person, I was not able to see the members last.
Because it will not be viewing for me, sir. Can you? What is actually happening, sir?
There are no members, sir. Means there are.
It is coming, sir. Wait for some time, sir. I also got the same problem.
Oh,
I'll
okay,
wait
sir,
for
okay.
some time.
I will just refresh and wait it, sir.
Oh, okay, sir. Actually, what
Thank
happened is we have been given more resource person we added. That maybe I think I'm thinking.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
We almost added 15 resource person.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You check it, sir, because that option will not be viewing for me because it is your login. No, I cannot able to.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
How the exam, sir? Everything is easy only, no, sir? Question.
Yes, sir. Fine, sir. No problem, sir. No problem.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, when can I expect results, sir?
Actually, today we'll be updating the this attendance, sir. So once attendance I am given I was entering in the portal, then I can able to enter the mark, sir. Most probably tomorrow by this time we may get the result, sir.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
So Mohan sir, you are trying to say something, sir?
No, sir. Thank
Sir,
you, sir.
Muthukumar, sir.
Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Sir, I submitted the test also, sir, and feedback also.
No problem. Then your process is completing, yes, sir. You have to do one more thing, sir. Vinod Kumar, sir. You have to go to the Atal portal and using your login, you have to give the feedback about this FTP, sir. That's it, sir.
Yeah,
Once
okay.
it's completed, your part is getting closed, sir.
Okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Muthu,
Thank
sir.
you. And yes, sir, Mohan, sir.
One more request, sir. Could you please send all the materials day-wise so that we
Yes,
be
I'm
able
doing,
to
sir.
classify and
Yes, sir.
do one, sir. Because
So what it means, I am be consolidating and I'll be sending through mail, sir, so that it will be reference for you.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'll
You
be
can also,
consolidating.
yes, sir. If you want, you can also share the drive also, sir. No problem, sir.
That's only I am be uploading in my thing and I'll be sharing through Drive. So that because
Yes,
content
sir,
is getting more, so we'll do it like this, sir. No issues.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. I have done all the formalities from my end, sir.
Thank you, sir. Now ball is in my court. I'll be completing my formalities also. No issues.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
I submit that test, sir. How to clarity for I submit or not? Any confirmation is there, sir?
So no problem. Actually, we have been using Google Form only. So once you have been submitted your assessment, it will be coming to my thing, and I will be evaluating that answers and everything, and our team will be updating. So we'll be updating the WhatsApp group.
Okay,
And
time.
and it will be reflecting.
When I expected that time, sir, result time?
Result mostly tomorrow. You may get it in your login, sir. No issues.
Email login. Okay, sir. So that certificate will be come to directly into the
Yes, it will be available in
AICT portal.
Yes, sir. Yes,
So,
Atal portal will be getting, sir.
Yeah. Fine, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for giving your feedback.
Yes, sir. Submitted the feedback and assessment also.
Okay, Mahendra, sir. Thank you, sir. I'll check it, sir. No issue, sir. Mahendra, sir.
Thank you for waiting us, sir. We are doing prolonged time to wait you.
How the exam, sir? How we did it, sir? Okay, no, sir. Question, sir.
So, as you know, we are taking much more time, so you know how the exam was.
Yes, sir. Yes. I know.
Actually, it is a little bit tougher one, so it is much more interesting also.
Okay.
Reading, we have to brush up all the whatever we have listened from the past 5 days.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mahendra, sir. No,
very nice.
Hello, sir.
Yes,
Hello.
sir. Yes, sir. Tell me, sir.
Just now I also gave the exam.
Yes, sir.
Sir, submitted my assessment and feedback. Can I leave?
Very nice.
Those were completed. Given everything.
FDP was, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mahendra, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I also gave feedback as well, sir. Overall feedback and all the feedback I gave. Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. Shantilal, sir. Thank you, sir. Sandeep Kumar, sir. Again, I shared the assessment link, sir. Kindly fill it, sir.
Tulasingam, sir. This is Arul Murugan from Karpam College of Engineering, Coimbatore, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
much very much thank you for arranging a nice FTP, sir. And the test was quite interesting, sir. Really, thank you for arranging such a nice FTP, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Arun. Thank you for your active participation in this FTP, sir. Very happy to see the participant like you, sir. Very all the best for your career, sir.
Oh, sir, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.